Hello, welcome again. We are solving general knowledge paper of year 2024 of CBS 1 exam. Question number 17 is which of the following statements are not correct? 1. In world politics, hard power can be exercised by both states and other actors involving use of threat or coercion. 2. Globalization is necessarily economic, not cultural. 3. The term Washington Consensus refers to a policy that seeks intervention in the market. 4. Autarky is generally understood as economic self-sufficiency. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 4 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 2, 3 and 4 only, and option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here second and third statement are wrong. Answer is option B, and the explanation is hard power. First statement, hard power refers to use of military and economic means to influence the behavior or interest of other political bodies. It can be exercised by both states and non-state actors. It involves the use of threat or coercion to achieve desired outcome. So first statement is correct. In world politics, hard power can be exercised by both states and other actors involving use of threat or coercion. Second statement is not correct. Globalization is necessarily economic, not culture, and its explanation is globalization is not limited to economic aspects. It also encompasses cultural, political, and social dimensions. Cultural globalization refers to the transmission of ideas, meanings, and values around the world, leading to a shared cultural experience. Examples include the global spread of languages, media, and cultural practices. So second is wrong. Third is the term Washington Consensus refers to a policy that seeks intervention in the market. So that is also wrong. The correct is the term Washington Consensus refers to a set of economic policy prescriptions considered to constitute the standard reform package promoted for crisis-racked developing countries by Washington DC based on institutions such as International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Bank, and the US Treasury Department. It emphasizes market-oriented policies such as trade liberalization, privatization, and deregulation rather than market intervention. So third statement is wrong, and the fourth statement is autarky is generally understood as economic self-sufficiency. So that is correct. Autarky refers to situation where a country or entity is self-sufficient and does not take part in international trade. It aims for economic independence and minimal reliance on external resources. Historically, some countries have pursued autarky to protect their economies from external influences. So answer is option B. Second and third statement are not correct. Answer is option B.